Cities are growing, buildings are getting taller. As urban populations increase, the demand for space in cities is pushing us to build upwards. Skyscrapers are becoming the norm in many metropolitan areas around the world, but with this vertical expansion comes a significant challenge: sustainability. We need to build sustainably. Traditional construction methods and materials are not enough to meet the environmental demands of our time. We must innovate and adopt eco-friendly practices to ensure that our cities can thrive without depleting natural resources or harming the planet. Skyscrapers use a lot of energy and resources, from the materials used in construction to the energy required for heating, cooling and lighting. These towering structures have a substantial environmental footprint. It's crucial to address these issues if we want to create a sustainable urban future. Sustainable design reduces their impact. By incorporating features like rainwater harvesting systems, energy-efficient windows and advanced insulation, we can significantly cut down on the energy and resources these buildings consume. These innovations not only help the environment but also reduce operating costs in the long run. Green skyscrapers are not just trendy, they are necessary. Vertical gardens and green rooftops are more than aesthetic choices. They play a vital role in improving air quality, reducing urban heat islands, and providing habitats for urban wildlife. These green spaces also offer residents a much-needed connection to nature. They help cities become healthier and more livable. Urban parks and green public spaces provide areas for recreation, relaxation, and social interaction. They contribute to the physical and mental well-being of city dwellers, making urban environments more pleasant and sustainable. Modern architects and engineers are finding new ways to make skyscrapers more eco-friendly. From designing buildings that maximize natural light to installing state-of-the-art energy management systems, these professionals are at the forefront of sustainable urban development. These innovations are changing how we design and build for the future. From renewable energy to green building materials, the construction industry is undergoing a transformation. Wind turbines, solar panels, and sustainable materials are becoming standard features in new developments. The future of construction is sustainable. As we continue to innovate and adopt new technologies, we are paving the way for a greener, more sustainable urban landscape. This shift is not just a trend, but a necessity for the well-being of our planet and future generations. Let's explore some of the exciting technologies shaping the future of our cities. From smart grids to green roofs, these advancements are setting the stage for a new era of sustainable urban living. Join us as we delve into the innovations that are making our cities more resilient, efficient, and environmentally friendly. Renewable energy is crucial for sustainable skyscrapers. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity directly on the building. Wind turbines harness the power of wind to generate clean energy. These technologies reduce reliance on fossil fuels. They also lower the carbon footprint of these massive structures. Some skyscrapers even incorporate geothermal energy. Geothermal systems tap into the Earth's heat for heating and cooling. By integrating these renewable energy systems, skyscrapers can significantly reduce their environmental impact. Green facades are like vertical gardens on the sides of buildings. These innovative structures are transforming urban landscapes, bringing a touch of nature into the heart of our cities. Imagine walking through a concrete jungle and suddenly encountering a wall of vibrant greenery. It's not just visually stunning, but also serves a multitude of practical purposes. They use plants and vegetation to create a living wall. These walls are carefully designed to support a variety of plant species which can thrive in an urban environment. The plants are often chosen for their ability to withstand local climate conditions and for their minimal maintenance needs. These green walls offer numerous benefits. Not only do they enhance the aesthetic appeal of buildings, but they also contribute to environmental sustainability. By integrating nature into urban settings, green facades help to reconnect city dwellers with the natural world. They help to insulate the building, reducing energy consumption. This insulation effect is particularly beneficial in both hot and cold climates, as it helps to maintain a stable indoor temperature. As a result, buildings with green facades often require less heating in the winter and less cooling in the summer. They also improve air quality by absorbing carbon dioxide. The plants on these facades act as natural air filters, trapping dust and pollutants while releasing oxygen. This can lead to a noticeable improvement in the air quality of densely populated urban areas. Moreover, green facades reduce the urban heat island effect. This phenomenon occurs when cities become significantly warmer than their rural surroundings due to human activities and the prevalence of heat-absorbing materials like concrete and asphalt. Cities tend to be hotter than surrounding areas due to concrete and asphalt. These materials absorb and retain heat, leading to higher temperatures in urban areas, especially during the summer months. Green facades help to mitigate this by providing shade and releasing moisture. The plants on these walls can lower the surrounding air temperature through the process of evapotranspiration, where water is absorbed by the roots and then released as vapor through the leaves. This creates a more comfortable microclimate around the building. People living or working in buildings with green facades often report feeling more connected to nature and experiencing a greater sense of well-being. In addition, these green spaces can provide habitats for urban wildlife, further enhancing biodiversity in the city. Inside, smart technologies optimize energy consumption. Smart lighting systems adjust based on natural light and occupancy. HVAC systems with smart sensors regulate temperature and ventilation efficiently. These intelligent systems minimize energy waste without compromising comfort. Water conservation is also crucial for sustainable design. Low-flow fixtures and rainwater harvesting systems reduce water usage. Grey-water recycling systems reuse water from sinks and showers for irrigation. Every drop counts when it comes to building a sustainable future. Section 5, leading the way, exemplary eco-skyscrapers. The Shanghai Tower in China is a prime example of a sustainable skyscraper. It features wind turbines, a rainwater collection system, and a double-skin facade for insulation. The Bank of America Tower in New York City is another leader. It boasts a solar array, ice storage for cooling, and water-efficient fixtures. These examples demonstrate that sustainable design is achievable on a grand scale. They serve as inspiration for architects and developers worldwide. Section 6, a greener future, the impact of sustainable design. The impact of sustainable skyscraper design extends beyond individual buildings. These structures are not just architectural marvels, they are symbols of a new era in urban development. By integrating nature into their design, they create a harmonious balance between the built environment and the natural world. When adopted widely, these innovations contribute to a greener urban environment. Cities that embrace green architecture see a transformation in their landscapes, with more green spaces, cleaner air, and a higher quality of life for their residents. The ripple effect of sustainable design can be felt throughout the urban ecosystem. They reduce greenhouse gas emissions, improve air quality, and conserve precious resources. Renewable energy systems, such as solar panels and wind turbines, are often integrated into these buildings, further reducing their carbon footprint. This holistic approach to design ensures that every aspect of the building contributes to environmental sustainability. Moreover, sustainable skyscrapers enhance the well-being of occupants. Natural light, improved ventilation, and green spaces promote a healthier and more productive indoor environment. Employees working in these buildings often report higher levels of satisfaction and well-being, which can lead to increased productivity and reduced absenteeism. Green rooftop gardens and indoor plants further enhance the connection to nature, providing a serene and calming atmosphere. These elements not only improve air quality, but also offer a respite from the hustle and bustle of urban life, making the workplace a more enjoyable and inspiring place to be. This shift towards sustainable design is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating buildings that are good for people and the planet. Architects and urban planners are increasingly recognizing the importance of sustainability in their projects, leading to a new wave of innovative and eco-friendly designs. It's about creating buildings that are good for people and the planet. Sustainable urban development is paving the way for a future where cities are not just places to live and work, but thriving ecosystems that support the health and well-being of all their inhabitants. The impact of sustainable design is profound, and its benefits will be felt for generations to come. Section 7, challenges and opportunities, overcoming barriers. Building sustainable skyscrapers comes with challenges. The initial costs of implementing green technologies can be higher. However, the long-term benefits in energy savings and reduced environmental impact outweigh the upfront investment. It's an investment in a more sustainable and resilient future. Furthermore, regulations and building codes need to encourage and incentivize sustainable practices. Collaboration between governments, developers, and architects is crucial to overcome these challenges and accelerate the adoption of green building technologies. Section 8. Beyond the building. Integrating with the urban fabric, sustainable skyscrapers should seamlessly integrate with their surroundings. Green roofs can become urban gardens, providing space for recreation and biodiversity. Public transportation connections and pedestrian-friendly designs reduce reliance on cars. Skyscrapers can even become part of a city's energy grid. By generating more energy than they consume, they can contribute excess power back to the grid. This creates a more resilient and interconnected urban environment. Section 9. A call to action: building a sustainable skyline. The future of our cities depends on sustainable solutions. As our urban landscapes continue to evolve, green skyscrapers offer a beacon of hope. Architects, engineers, and city planners have a shared responsibility to embrace these innovations. Let's challenge ourselves to design and build skyscrapers that minimize their ecological footprint while maximizing human well-being. By investing in sustainable design today, we are building a brighter and more sustainable